coming to the question of, there is a question on euro imports. Euro imports, I somehow believe that dollar has rallied a lot, and there is a possibility that things may change, especially against G7. Like Japanese yen 146, there is a possibility at any point of time Japan can come in and do intervention. Europe has become desperate, and they have become so desperate that they are ignoring the recession and they are hiking rates, because otherwise the currency is taking a massive dip. Right, Srinivas? So they are hawkish, and in such a situation, there is a possibility that euro may start turning. And so please do hedge, but don't use forward, because the hedge cost is very high in euro. 5 to 6% is your hedge cost. So there also, if you can do option best. If you can't do options, then you do small amounts. Hedge at dip below 80, you hedge a small amount. 79, 80, monitor it closely and hedge at the right time. Small amounts. Break it in multiple parts and close slowly. If you get 79 or below 79, hedge more. Hold on at 81. That kind of thing, I think, is good.
Yeah.